Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will create a program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will compute the difference in product of the two given numbers and display the result on the screen using Python programming language. Before we continue, thank you for all your support, especially to my subscribers, viewers, and supporters of my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment, likes, and your patronage to my channel. I really appreciate your help. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I'm using pycharm as my integrated development environment. So we have here line number 1, print for new line. Line number 10 is difference in product of two numbers in Python. And then line number 13 and 14, we are asking the user to give first number, and that will be stored in a variable num1, and second number num2. This is for the input, line number 13 and 14, line number 15 and 16. Line number 16 will perform difference. So int num1, open and close parentheses, minus int num2, open and close parentheses, and then we have here the product for multiplication equals int, open and close parentheses, num1 multiplied by int num2. Line number 19, print, and then we have here the display. Difference, curly bracket, and curly bracket, and curly bracket format, num1, num2, and product. And yes, this one is for the difference, rather. Sorry. Difference. And then this one is for the product. Okay, I stand corrected. So print and the program print. Okay, so let us run our program so that we can see the result. Okay, our program is now running difference in product of two numbers in Python. Enter first number, we have 10. Second number, we have 2. So the difference of 10 and 2 is 8. The product of 10 and 2 is 20, and a program. Let us try again for the second time around. We have 25, and then we have 3. So the difference between 25 and 3 is 22, and then the product of 25 and 3 is 75, and a program. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you learned something new in this short tutorial video on difference in product of two numbers in Python. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.